Alright, this is a Mr. Coffee fix. There actually wasn't much here. It was simply a matter of cleaning out the strainer that he had, and I'll point that out in a few seconds here. But the clear reservoir has a strainer, and there I'm pointing to it, and basically that had a lot of gunk in it, so some careful removal is what ended up really solving the problem on this one. You could also see the black wand has this like charcoal filter in it too. A lot of charcoal had gone through and then gone into the screen, preventing actual flow of water. So I didn't notice at the time yet, but it was pretty reasonable suspect that that would be what needed to be fixed. So clean out and blowing, and then you'll start seeing a test of this. And there wasn't much else to report on this one, other than just being mindful of keeping that screen clean, and I guess keeping a fresh filter by this design. The only last comment was to eventually, talking to the customer about just doing a decalcification of the heating element, and that would help, for the longevity of the machine to help brew more efficiently. And that was it on this fix. So this was not much to fix, just mostly a cleaning of the strainer. And he was happy since the customer service was not able to determine that part. As I come back with the reservoir full of water, there's a plunger at the bottom of that reservoir that is pushed up by the strainer that's part of the black part below. This is how the water doesn't spill beforehand. And just as a clarification, the strainer is not part of the reservoir. So basically with this, it lets the water go down into the heating part of the coffee maker, and the pump starts pumping some water initially, and then a more consistent stream comes out to actually fully brew the coffee. And I'll put the brew unit back on so it doesn't make a steaming mess. But this basically solved the problem just by cleaning the strainer. So hopefully next time you can make sure to clean the strainer if you have a similar problem like this.